If you are just joining us today, this video, you're welcome to my channel, Ask Nurse Malik channel. If you're just joining us, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like our video, and don't forget to subscribe. Today, we are going to talk about 7 things to do immediately after sexual intercourse. You see, many of the couples, after they've had sex, there are certain things that they should do so that it will prevent them from many complications or from many issues. So if you've had sex and you've not done these 7 things immediately, it is going to affect your overall health. It is going to affect your whole reproductive system. So what are those 7 things that you need to do as a couple or as a man or as a woman who just have sex with your partner? The first thing you should do if you just have sex is you should make sure you urinate after sex. So if immediately you finish having sexual intercourse with your partner, you have to ensure you urinate. You go to toilet and ease yourself completely, so that if there could be probably any deposit of the sperm in your vagina, you as a woman, you'll be able to flush it out with the urine coming out of your bladder. Because if those sperm contain the sexually transmitted infections or bacteria, they have the ability to harbor in your reproductive area. They have the ability to live within your vulva, and before you know it, they tend to ascend to your urinary tract infection, giving you serious infections in the vagina. So you have to ensure you urinate immediately after you have sex. That is number 1. Then the second thing you should do immediately after you have sex is for you to check for STI symptoms. Yes, you need to check for possibility of any sexually transmitted infections. That might not be immediately after the sex. Might be 2 days or 3 days after sexual intercourse. If you notice any itching, any pains, or any swelling or any abnormality around your vulva, you should know that might be a sign of sexually transmitted infection. And what should you do at this moment? You need to get yourself checked. You need to get yourself screened for any possibility of the infection, so that it won't lead you to a last long or terminating illness or infection that is going to cause a lot of problem or a lot of trouble for you. So that is the second thing you should do as a woman immediately you have the sexual intercourse. Then number 3 thing you should do is you have to ensure you take probiotics. Yes, when you have sex, taking probiotics always will help you to prevent the odors that can come from sexual intercourse. You know, there are a lot of people that immediately they have sex, you know that yes, this person just have sex. Due to that odor, that frizzy odor that comes out, the odor of the semen and the fluid from the woman after sex, it can bring about an odor. And this odor, if it stays in your body as a woman, it is not a good thing for you. You have a foul odor around your pubic area or around your vagina. So to prevent this, make sure you take food rich in probiotics, take more of yogurt, take a lot of water. You have to hydrate yourself. That will come to that. So it should be the number 4 thing you should do. You should also make sure you take a lot of water. You need to hydrate yourself after sexual intercourse. Because you see, during that process, you are going to lose a lot of fluid as a man, and even women too, you are also going to lose a lot of fluid. Because sexual activity is more or less like an exercise. Yes, it's a pleasure that also serves as an exercise. And once you engage in that, you see that there are going to be a lot of fluid you are going to lose out of your body from sweating. Then a fluid that you are going to lose out from your semen that comes out as a man. So in order for you not to get yourself dehydrated, you have to ensure you hydrate yourself every time or every now and then that you have sexual intercourse. If possible, during the process, you can take a break and take water. After the activity, you also take water. It will help you to prevent dehydration. And you know what dehydration can lead you to. Obviously, it is going to lead you to shock and possibly lead you to death, even after or even before you finish having the intercourse with your partner. So these are the little things I will advise you to practice to ensure you maintain in every sexual activity you have. It will help you and help to prevent every complication that may come or that may arise from any sexual intercourse.